The LG washing machine A error code indicates a leak in the machine, triggered by the built-in flood protection system that shuts down the appliance when a leak is detected. This issue often stems from a clogged water inlet, which can be caused by pet hair, dust, and other debris accumulating around the washer drains and filter. A dirty drain pump filter can also contribute to the problem, as a clogged water inlet restricts fluid flow, putting strain on the internal components and potentially burning out the pump, leading to leaks. Mineral buildups can also restrict airflow, lower pressure, and increase the likelihood of leakage, affecting the seals and washer pump. To fix the issue, start by cleaning the water inlet, unplug the machine, turn off the water supply, and remove the back panel to access the water inlet valve. Inspect the valve for damage or debris, and clean it with a soft brush or warm water. Rinse with clean water and reinstall the inlet valve. Next, clean the drain pump filter by accessing the drain pump, removing the cover, and redirecting the drain hose into a shallow pan to collect residual water. Remove the filter, clean out any lint and debris, and reinsert the pump. After addressing these potential problems, remove any accumulated water and reset the flood detector by unplugging the machine, opening the filter lid cover, and undoing the white screws. Remove the bottom panel, access the sensor, and determine the source of the leak. If the leak is not visible, dry the area and plug in the machine. Run a cycle and examine the area for leaks. If a crack is found, switch off the machine and patch it with epoxy. Reassemble the machine, plug it in, and test it to ensure the issue is resolved.